For patients that notice their teeth are looking longer, either one or all their teeth, there are a few causes. The major causes of gum recession, we call it, are thin gum and thin bone, and that's genetically driven. Those are things that patients will come in thinking they've brushed too hard and caused this, but typically it's a multifactorial, what we call etiology, but the major thing is the genetic profile. That, along with hard brushing, leads to longer looking teeth. Another factor causing gum recession is orthodontics. The teeth can be moved outside the bony housing that can cause the soft tissue to settle. Those are the major reasons for gum recession. Unique to our office, not only do we look at the soft tissue overlay or the drape over the bone with a visual exam and a charting, but we also take a 3D scan to take a look at where the bone is underneath, so we can see if there is no bone on the outside of the tooth, that we can also look at solutions augmenting the bone or the soft tissue. So we need to determine what the etiology or the cause is of your specific case, so we ensure that the treatment that we're providing is dialed in and specific to what you need. At our office, we offer all types of soft tissue grafts. What my job is to determine out of all the grafts available, what's going to be the best in your case and what's the least invasive out of the options that you have. So we typically will go through all the options. I'll educate the patient about what's available, and together we determine what's going to be best for the patient specifically. After the treatment is provided, we perform the same data gathering to ensure that we're happy with the results, both on the patient's end and my end, and we can quantify those results, which is unique in soft tissue grafting. I feel that we're very progressive with monitoring the results of our treatment. Call our office to schedule a consultation and we'll sit down with you over a conference, and I'd be happy to walk you through the treatment options that would be right for you.